Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a watermark for your video using CapCut apps. So after you enter a video to be edited, you can choose to create a watermark using text or other objects such as image or sticker. And as an example, here I will create a watermark using text. So just create the text that will be used as a watermark. So just click text, add text, type the text. For example, alright. So to make it look like a watermark, all you have to do is just adjust the opacity. So just click on the text and you can select edit. Just click on the pencil icon or edit icon, just click on it. Just click on the pencil icon and scroll down until you select style. You can select style and lower the opacity until you find your needed. So just click check mark. That's it. So I think it's like watermark. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching.